Bonjour mesdames et messieurs et bienvenue chez mon 5e épisode sur la grammaire du français. Hello everyone and welcome to my 5th episode on French grammar. In this episode we'll explore the partitive article. As with the two previous episodes, the partitive article is another article or determiner and so not a noun but has a very strong relationship with nouns. The good news is that there is a partitive article in English as well. The partitive article for positive verb phrases in English is some, and for negative verb phrases in English is any. You might have noticed that these two words look the same as the indefinite article we were looking at in our last episode. The difference between the two will be clear after we look at some of the uses of the partitive article, and we'll do that now before we look at the form of the partitive article in French. The partitive article is used to express a part of an entity in a non-specific way. For instance, if I have a roast chicken and I want to talk about a part of that chicken, I would say some chicken. The partitive article is particularly useful when we want to give undetermined quantities for things that we can't count. So to understand this, I should probably explain that there are countable nouns and uncountable nouns. Some nouns like cat, we can make plural and give a number to. For example, 6 cats. These are called countable nouns. Other nouns, however, like milk, we don't count and are always considered as a single entity. These are uncountable nouns. So we can use the partitive article and say some milk, but we can't say 6 milks, like we could say 6 cats. If we wanted to count something like milk, we would count the vessels that the milk is contained in. So you could have 6 cartons of milk. In French, the partitive article has a few forms, and you've probably guessed why already. It's because French nouns have gender and number. So the masculine partitive article for words beginning with a consonant is du. For example, du lait, some milk. The feminine partitive article for words beginning with a consonant is de la. For instance, de la crème, some cream. The partitive article for words beginning with a vowel or a silent H is de and then an L apostrophe. For example, de l'huile, some oil. With a negative verb phrase, the partitive article becomes de, pas de sucre, no sugar or not any sugar. One last point. For plurals, we use the indefinite article or des. For example, des biscuits, some biscuits. And that concludes my episode on the partitive article. I hope you found it useful. If you have any questions, please post a comment and I will do my best to respond.